Today I will compare two LCD TV in this video. So let's go. Now enjoy this video. Firstly, display. Display type LCD. Panel type VAQD. Screen size 85/98" USA, Europe, and 50, 55, 65, 75, 85, 98" USA. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz. Brightness 6500 nits and 3500 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 43 ppi and 46.5 ppi. Color bit 10 bit. Response time 0.1 millisecond. Contrast ratio 6000:1. Video processor AIPQ Pro. HDMI variable refresh rate yes. Consumer electronic control yes. Auto low latency mode yes. Ambient light sensor yes. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision IQ. Next, connectivity. HDMI version HDMI 2.1. HDMI ports 4. USB ports 1 into USB-A. Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax. Bluetooth 5.2. Next, features. TV platform Google TV. Version at launch 12.0. OS updates yes. AirPlay yes. HomeKit yes. Voice assistance Google Assistant Alexa. Search browser Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Netflix, YouTube. Next, audio. Speakers 6.2.2 70 watt Bang & Olufsen and 2.1 on-Q. HDMI ARC and ERC yes. Dolby Atmos yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Dolby AC3 AC4 yes. Stereo speakers yes. Subwoofer yes. Next, design. Dimensions 2200 into 1300 into 269 mm and 1445 into 830 into 55.8 mm. Weight 60 kg and 26.2 kg. Wall mount 200 into 200 mm. Special features: anti-reflective filter Ultra, Game Bar 3.0, IMAX Enhance, Motion Accelerator 240 climb ready, and IMAX Enhance Motion Accelerator 288. Tuners: attached 3.0 USA, DVB T2 S2C Europe, and attached 1.0 USA. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.